Okay, good day, children.
Good day, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, good to hear that. So today, we read a story. Okay, who among you wants to read a story?
Me, teacher.
Okay, good to hear that. So, our story for today is all about the goose and the golden eggs. Again, what is the title of our story today?
The goose and the golden eggs.
Okay. So, once upon a time, there was once a countryman who possessed the most wonderful goose you can imagine. Okay. Who possessed the most wonderful goose you can imagine?
The countryman, teacher.
Okay, the countryman. So, for every day when he visited the nest, the goose had laid a beautiful and glittering golden egg. So, when the countryman go to the nest of the goose, what the countryman see?
Golden egg.
Okay, a golden egg. So, kung you see a gold,
Teacher. Kuha pa ko, teacher.
kita gold.
Dapat
So,
teacher.
ang gold, ani ang gold? Oh, glittering siya, nag-shine siya.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's move. So, if you are the countryman, what do you do to the golden egg?
Ako ibalik siya, teacher.
Okay, baligya kay ang gold, expensive kay siya, no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the countryman took the eggs to the market and soon began to get rich.
Wow.
So, ang countryman, naghato siya tungod sa golden eggs nga gihatag sa iya ang goose. So, dato na kayo ang countryman. But one day, it was not long before he grew impatient with the goose because she gave him only a single golden egg a day. So, ang countryman, wala siya na contented sa gihatag na golden egg sa iyang goose kay tag-isa ra ka golden egg ang ihatag sa iyang goose taga adlaw. So, he was not getting rich fast enough. So, dili siya paspas nga ma-rich enough. So, gusto sa countryman nga mas paspas siya nga mudato. Gusto pa siya nga mas mudato bisag dato na siya. So, iyana ba mo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to hear that. So, next. Then one day, after he had finished counting his money, the idea came to him that he could get all the golden eggs at once by killing the goose and cutting it open. So one day, na-ay terrible nga idea nga naunaan si countryman. So, if he kill the goose, makuha niya ang tanang eggs nga naasulod sa goose. So, what do you think na makuha sa countryman sulod sa tiyan sa goose?
A golden egg, teacher.
Okay, let's find out. So, but when the deed was done, not a single golden egg did he find. So,
teacher. May nakita niya, teacher.
pag-kill niya sa goose, wala siya nakita ng golden eggs bisag isa.
Ang siya nakita, teacher.
Turang mga stomach sa goose, din na ay mga blood, mga intestine.
Uy, kay sa goose, teacher.
Uy, kayo ang goose. So, kung kamo ang countryman, patyan ninyo ang goose, dili.
Dili, teacher. Muloy man, teacher.
Uy, kayo ang goose. Di yung precious pag kayo yung goose kayo maghatag saya ang golden eggs.
Yan, teacher.
So, and his precious goose was dead. So, namatay ang iyang precious goose. So, those who have plenty want more, and so those all they have. So, kung kinsa tong manginahanglan pa og sobra-sobra, bisag naana, mawala kadugayan. So, that's the end of our story. Again, what is the title of our story?
The goose and the golden eggs.
Okay, what do you think is the moral lesson of our story?
Teacher,
Okay, Paul.
don't be so greedy, teacher.
Okay, don't be so greedy. Another, Ramses.
Teacher, dapat makontento sa teacher.
Okay, we must contented of what we have. Christian, naka-idea kung sa moral lesson ng Boston
Dapat
story?
hindi tayo magpatay og mga ayok, teacher.
Okay,
Tuloy kayo.
Okay, di dapat mabatay o tao. So, ito yung mga storya. No, ito yung moral lesson nga itong makuha ani nga story. So, dapat nato na ito pangandakan lang na ito kinabuhi. So, dapat i-apply na ito sa ato ang life. So, and that's all. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher.